Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm finally back with another figure unboxing. I know it's kind of been a little while, but I recently picked up these Amber Collection figures at my local Toys R Us, and they were $30 each, which is pretty pricey, but here in Canada it's like the norm for things to be expensive. So, without further ado, I'll dig right in. I think the only Amber Collection figure I'm missing to date is Owen, and then the newest ones, I think Grant just came out, and then Robert as well. So we'll start off with Ellie. This one's a really cool figure. I'm glad that they're doing all the characters from Jurassic Park, like literally all of them. Well, hopefully all of them, but I don't know if we're gonna get the lawyer or whatever. But yeah, no, I think it's just amazing, and if we do get all of the figures from the Jurassic Park's first movie, it would be neat to see the Lost World and Jurassic Park 3 after that, seeing as we just got the JP3 male raptor. So that's going to be pretty neat if they decide to continue to line up with more figures, seeing as it's pretty popular as well. There's a high chance that they might do that. Okay, what's going on? Why are these opening? I think I have to go from the side. It's been a while since I unboxed Amber Collection figures. Okay, so I think... Oh, no. We gotta take the back off, okay. The last ones I found were Ray Arnold, and I think I also picked up Nedry and Ian Malcolm, like all in the same lot, because they had Nedry at Toys R Us, and they also had him at Toy Traders, and then they had the other two humans at Toys R Us and Toy Traders. But the funny thing is, we don't have any Amber dinosaurs anymore at Toy Traders here, or Toys R Us here. We don't have the Dimorphodons, but I was lucky enough to get a friend to pick those up for me. But yeah, besides that, I think the last ones we got were the Pteranodon and the Tiger Raptor, but those ones were $50 each, which is just baffles me, the price on those. But I paid that price, which is crazy, because I know in the States, they're like, sometimes they get to like $20, even $15 each. Absolutely nuts. So anyways, wow, 3 minutes of opening Ellie, but there you go. She comes with glasses variant head, and then walkie-talkie, and that cool belt. I think there's something in the belt. We should take a look at that. I think it's that thing that she had. Oh, you actually have to open it. That's cool. There's a little peg there. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's a flashlight. Oh, you know the scene where it drags on the floor behind her? That's... Wow, they got that detail. That is incredible. Okay, so let's put that back in. I'm not gonna... Or maybe I should, yeah. Button that back up. So get all her parts out. The hands. The extra head. Bingo. Okay, so, let's see her height to, like, Ian. Wow. You got, like, accurate height to them. That's wicked. I mean, Nedry's pretty short as well. I'm pretty sure. He's so tiny. Look at him. He's so short. Okay. She's got full articulation in the arms. They bend really well. pretty smooth on the elbow joints and whatnot. It's also articulation. You can rotate the arms like that. Pretty neat. I don't think her thing comes off. Torso articulation is there. Does it rotate? Kind of. I don't want to force it. The knee joints are great. Oh wow. They're really good. Okay. And I think there's like rotation in the ankles, which is cool. And they kind of pivot. That's pretty nice. And I love the sock details too. There's no like bleeding effect on the shoelaces. Overall, wow, they did a fantastic job with the details. The watch is nice. I think the hands, they rotate too, kinda. Yeah? Yeah. So there's a watch, the belt's painted. Nothing wrong with like the eyes or the face. So that's pretty neat. But they don't come with stands anymore, which kind of sucks. But whatever. Okay, let's move on to John, the baby dinosaur, baby raptor. I don't know why I didn't say raptor to begin with. I mean, obviously it's a dinosaur, but, ooh, you got that picture in the back. So I'm pretty pumped to get, Dr. Grant and, Robert, because then I can do, like, a comparison to, like, the, Kenner figures or whatever. I guess I could always compare the Kenner figures right now, but there's no Kenner John. Kind of sucks. And these are basically like upscaled versions of the smaller Mattel figures, which I should have brought. I don't know why I didn't bring them. They're actually downstairs. Whatever. Can always do a video later. So let's get John out. Okay, so there's John. I'm assuming he's a little bit smaller, or not smaller, shorter. So there's the baby. Interesting paint. They even got like the eye detail in there. I'm using a phone to record this because I broke my video camera, so when I hold stuff up, I don't think it focuses that well. Oh yeah, it does. So there's his alternate face without the hat. Then there's a little baby with like the embryo slime on it and stuff. Both of his hands. I think one of his hands has a ring on it. That's pretty cool. Oh, they both have rings on them. Nice. Good detail there. The cane. It's stuck on the plastic. Brutally push John out. And get his cane. There we go. Oh my god. With the new compy set with the baby Rex, you could do like the novel scene. I just realized that. Oof. Okay, so I guess he kind of like holds his cane like that. They should have made it so we can like hold his cane better. Whatever. I guess one of his hands is meant for holding the egg. So we'll like attach that. Yep, holds the egg well. Okay. It's the other, I think this is the hand he uses for the cane. Oh, almost dropped it. Maybe if it kind of fits. You can whack dinosaurs with it, I guess. Whack the raptors. Yeah, I'm gonna put that actually in his hand because I kind of want to have him whack something. So you remove his hand. put his alternate hand in. And let's find a raptor for him to whack. Whatever. Let's just go with blue, because can't find my JP1 raptor. So John's mad that blue exists because blue has poisoned the fandom, so he's just gonna give me a second. Wow, this is very feeble looking. Come on, John. So he's got his cane in his hand. Order confirmed? eBay? Uh-oh. Smack, 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 smack. Ta-da! He has now beaten blue with his cane. Revenge of John. Okay, so that, I guess concludes my review. I know, really good review, very quality. I'm a little bit tired, so of course I don't sound as energetic. But yeah, no, I love these figures. They're a really good addition to the collection. I find it very odd that they're doing two of the the most popular characters last, and then like these characters first, but whatever, that's kind of how it be, I guess. I'm excited to get the Dimorphodons in at some point, and then, you know, get the rest of the figures. The young Rex, I guess I'll probably be getting a lot of the JP3 male raptor, and then obviously I'll get Grant and Robert. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you want to see more reviews like this, definitely subscribe. Usually not that many people make it to the end of my videos, but whatever. So if you're here, definitely subscribe. Would appreciate it greatly. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.